So let's take a look at how we can use variables in our code. I have got our Hello World program open here, and I'm going to demonstrate creating a variable. And then we are going to look at the value of that variable. So I will go ahead and create a variable, an integer, and we'll call this variable number. And we'll give it a value of 3. And then let's go ahead and print out using print line, just like we had done with Hello World, the value of that variable. And print line is actually a method that lets us write to the console. We can call it like this with system.out.println, and it will take a lot of the different primitive types or string and let you print to the screen. So we can print our number out, and it's going to print out 3. You can see here it says Hello World, and then we have 3. And the way that this works is you can see that we have our variable, we have declared the type as an integer, we have said what the name is, and then we have done an assignment, and we have assigned it to the letter of value of 3. We could also do this with a string. We could say string name equals Joe, and then we could print that out as well. So let's run this and see what happens. Now you can see we have got our Hello World, we have got 3, and we have got Joe. So that's really the use of a variable. We could also rename or reassign a variable. So I could change the name to Jimmy, and then you can see that it was first set to Joe, then it changed it to Jimmy. Now it should print out Jimmy, as you see. We can also do things like assign a variable to an equation, basically, or a statement here. We can say number equals 5 plus 2. And of course we are going to get it assigned to 7 here, and we can prove that by running, as you see. And you can see that it's now 7, so really this variable can hold the result of the computation, a string, whatever type that we would want.